Welcome back to our channel. We will help you navigate the world of home building. Today we're discussing the biggest new build regrets that you absolutely have to avoid. Let's dive in.
The first regret many people have with new builds is not planning for enough storage space. Make sure you carefully consider your storage needs now and in the future because you can never have enough of it.
Another common regret is neglecting natural light. Don't underestimate the power of sunshine in your home. Make sure you maximize your windows and skylights to bring that beautiful natural glow into your home.
Subscribe and like to get more of our helpful tips. Another mistake to avoid is poor insulation. It's essential for energy efficiency and maintaining a comfortable home temperature. Don't skip on insulation quality to save a few dollars. Make sure to ask your builder what they use to insulate.
Have you ever regretted not thinking about the future? Plan ahead. Consider how your needs might change over time. Building with flexibility in mind will save you from costly renovations down the line. So for example, if your builder offers options to bump out rooms to make them a little bit larger, maybe you might want to consider that over upgrading flooring or cabinets or even countertops. It's much more expensive to add additions to a home later than it is to upgrade a flooring in the future.
A huge regret is not prioritizing the kitchen. Think about it. It'll be the heart of your home. So invest in quality appliances, durable countertops, and quality finishes, plus ample workspace. It'll pay off in the long run.
Don't forget about your outdoor spaces. Neglecting landscaping and not planning an outdoor entertaining space can be a big regret. Create a beautiful oasis right outside your door.
Pay attention to details because small details matter. Don't rush through the selection process for fixtures and finishes. Take your time to ensure you're happy with every little detail.
Poor room layout is another regret to avoid. Carefully consider the flow and functionality of each space. Think about how you use your room to ensure that it's going to meet your needs.
Remember to future-proof the technology in the home. Not considering smart home features and wiring and modern connectivity can leave you regretting your choices as technology advances.
And finally, a big regret is not doing the research and making sure that your builder is a good quality builder. Take your time, find a reputable and reliable professional. This is a crucial step you don't want to skip.
We are the McLaughlin and Summer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County. You can reach us at
McLaughlinandsummer.realtor, or you can text, email, or call us at the numbers above. Thanks for watching.